What does it cost to bend the rules of physics? What's the price tag for creating a civilization from scratch, or laying 1,000 miles of bullet train track through protected land? The answer isn't just billions. It's trillions. Right now, across the globe, governments and sovereign wealth funds are executing infrastructure plans so vast, so costly, they redefine the concept of a megaproject. We're talking about structures designed to last centuries, cities built for 1 million people inside a single mirrored skyscraper, and rail lines that swallow budgets whole. These projects, from the deserts of Saudi Arabia to the fertile plains of California, are the ultimate tests of engineering, political will, and financial sanity. They are facing unprecedented setbacks, budget overruns, and delays, but they refuse to stop. On Visionary Mind, we're breaking down the most expensive and controversial megaprojects currently under construction. You will not want to miss the staggering $8.8 trillion price tag of our number one pick. Number 1. NEOM, Saudi Arabia, $1.5 trillion. We start with a project whose initial price tag of $500 billion was already staggering, but whose internal cost projections have reportedly ballooned to an unbelievable $8.8 trillion, making it, by far, the most expensive construction project ever conceived, NEOM in Saudi Arabia. NEOM is less a city and more a new regional economy, anchored by the component known as the line. The line is planned as a 170-kilometer-long linear city, just 200 meters wide, enclosed by 500-meter-high mirrored walls. It aims to house 9 million people by 2045, completely free of cars, roads, and carbon emissions. Number 2. Nusantara, Indonesia's new capital, $35 billion. Indonesia is relocating its capital from sinking Jakarta to a new site in Borneo. Key developments include government buildings, eco-friendly housing, green mobility systems, and renewable energy grids. Designed as a smart, sustainable, forest-integrated city. Aims to become a model green capital for Southeast Asia. Number 3. California High-Speed Rail, USA, $50+ billion. The first true high-speed rail system in the U.S., connecting Los Angeles to San Francisco. Key elements include massive mountain tunnels, megaviaducts, and advanced electrified tracks. Trains will travel up to 354 kilometers per hour, 220 miles per hour, cutting travel time to under 3 hours. Despite delays, it remains America's most ambitious transport project. Number 4. Australia-Asia Power Link, $30 billion. A giant renewable energy project featuring one of the world's largest solar farms in Australia. Includes the world's longest undersea cable, over 4,000 kilometers, to deliver power to Singapore. Will export up to 3 gigawatts of clean electricity, supporting Asia's green transition. Designed to be a global model for cross-continental renewable power. Number 5. Al Maktoum International Airport, Dubai, $35 billion. Dubai is building the largest and most advanced airport on Earth. Key features include 5 parallel runways, the world's biggest airport terminal, and full automation. It will handle up to 250 million passengers annually with AI-driven operations. Designed to become the central aviation hub for the 21st century. Number 6. New administrative capital, Egypt, $58 billion. A fully planned smart city built from scratch east of Cairo. Main items include Africa's tallest tower, the mega government district, a huge presidential palace, and giant residential zones. Equipped with smart infrastructure, green spaces, and advanced transport systems. It aims to ease Cairo's overcrowding and modernize Egypt's governance. Number 7. North Field Expansion, Qatar, $55 billion. Expansion of the world's largest natural gas field shared with Iran. Includes massive offshore platforms, LNG trains, pipelines, and processing plants. will boost Qatar's LNG output from 77 to 126 million tons per year, the highest in the world. Critical for global energy supply, especially for Asia and Europe. Number 8. Delhi-Mumbai Industrial Corridor, India, $100 billion. A 1,500 kilometers economic supercorridor connecting Delhi to Mumbai. Major components include high-speed freight rail, expressways, logistics hubs, and new smart cities like Dhalara. It focuses on manufacturing, industrial zones, and seamless cargo movement. This megaproject will reshape India's trade, industry, and economic landscape. Number 9. Akkuyu Nuclear Power Plant, Turkey, $20+ billion. Turkey's first-ever nuclear power plant, built in collaboration with Russia. Features 4 VVR, 1,200 reactors, advanced safety systems, and a 4,800 megawatts total capacity. Will generate 10% of Turkey's electricity needs once fully operational. Marks a major step toward national energy independence and stability. Number 10. Standard Gauge Railway, Tanzania, $10+ billion. A modern high-speed electric railway to improve trade and transport across East Africa. Main components include double-track lines, long bridges, new stations, and powerful electric locomotives. Connects key cities like Dar es Salaam, Dodoma, and Mwanza. Designed to boost economic integration and cut travel times drastically. From trillion-dollar desert cities to continent-spanning rail networks and renewable energy superprojects, the world is entering a new age of mega-infrastructure. The projects we've looked at today, totaling well over $2.5 trillion in current estimated costs, are not just buildings or roads. They're symbols of national ambition, global competition, and the extraordinary engineering power of our time. They are, quite literally, the future under construction. But they come with massive risk. Are the environmental trade-offs worth the economic gain? Is the price of $1 trillion city worth the gamble? We want to hear your thoughts. Which of these 8 megaprojects do you think will be the most successful? Let us know in the comments below. If you were amazed by the scale of these deep dives into the world's biggest projects, don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with a fellow infrastructure enthusiast, and most importantly, subscribe to Visionary Mind for more explorations into the colossal builds shaping our future.